When I started, and actually in November of 2016, when I was first diagnosed, my cholesterol level was 211. Doctor said, no, can't. She made the unhappy face. My triglycerides were at 121, but they went up to 160 shortly thereafter. And my LDL was at 146. So that's where our starting point was. And my A1C was at 7.9. After being around 6.5, 6.6, 6.6 for a while. So that was my starting point in 2016. When I actually came on with homemade, just in 1 month, I saw my daily blood levels drop, and I saw a big change in all of those numbers. So at the 1 month level, I was actually seeing numbers that were totally drastically, in some cases, a drop of 50 points. And my doctor looked at that and she said, wait a minute, let me make sure that these are your labs. And then she looked again and she said, my, what are you doing? And so I had actually taken some information in. I took pictures of the food that I was preparing and showed her, and she said, keep going. So I had my numbers last month, well, in August, and my cholesterol from, remember, 2016, from 211 to 117.
Wow.
My triglycerides from 164 to 136. And my LDL from 146 to 49.
That's incredible.
Huge difference. So what that has meant is that my statins that I take, I still have to take them because I do have a heart issue. So now, instead of taking statins every day, I negotiated with my doctor, and so I take them Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and it still keeps my numbers down.